Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read a medical report. First, always confirm the patient's name, date of birth, and the report's creation date to ensure accuracy. Next, identify the healthcare provider who ordered the report and the facility where the tests were performed. Finally, determine the specific type of report you are reviewing, whether it is a blood test, an X-ray, or a pathology report, as this guides your interpretation. Every medical report typically includes a reason for study or clinical indication section, which explains why the test was ordered. Following this, the findings or results section presents the objective data, such as measurements, descriptions, or numerical values. For instance, a blood test might show a white blood cell count of 8,000 per microliter. The impression, or conclusion, then provides the interpreting physician's summary and diagnosis. When reviewing your results, always compare them against the provided reference ranges, which indicate typical values for a healthy individual. Pay close attention to any values highlighted as high, low, or abnormal, as these often warrant further discussion with your doctor. For example, a blood pressure reading of 140 over 90 millimeters of mercury is considered elevated. Don't hesitate to look up any unfamiliar medical terms to better understand their meaning. After reviewing your report, it's crucial to discuss any questions or concerns you have with your healthcare provider. Ask them to clarify any abnormal findings and explain what these results mean for your overall health. For instance, if your cholesterol is 240 milligrams per deciliter, ask about lifestyle changes or medication. Also, inquire about any recommended follow-up tests, treatments, or lifestyle adjustments to ensure optimal care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.